rate my Halloween mask collection. I've only got 3 and these are my Halloween masks. I'll just start with this one because this one I want you to see. Rate them, not 10. This one goes in the dark. Yeah, I'm not really taking it out the package yet because I've not really worn it. I got it like 3 years ago and never worn it. And this is my second mask I got last year. And yeah. So I got a coat, and also this is the mask I got today. Should I wear this mask, or this mask? Personally, I want to wear this mask. Sorry. Personally, I want to wear this mask. Maybe not this mask. Maybe this mask. Yeah, but I've not really worn this mask. I have worn it, but not for trick or treating yet. Because I want to see my face. Also, do you want to see my face mask? And this is my face mask. Would you like it? Comment. Hold on. Okay. Comment 1 for this one. Comment 2 for this one, and comment 3 for this one. That's all for today, guys. Here's my bike for the video ends.